Hi, welcome back. Today, just around 45 minutes only to come close of the market. So I will quickly tell what are all the buy trade happening in put option. The put option is 22,200 put option. And this candle only our buy conditions satisfied. See, we are not using any indicators, nothing. No indicators are required for our trade. That is the advantage. We are considering only the volume, market buying, that is delta, net delta, that is delta may be positive or negative, and max and min delta. Okay. So here is the all the buy conditions satisfied. We will get a buy here around 90. Okay. And see this red candle here, we will exit. Why? Because of the conditions. These conditions I have clearly mentioned in my first two videos. Of course, it is a trade setup, and there are so many things to set up this trade. Okay, we have to study it. Then 91 entering around 100, we will exit. Then after that, we got a buy here. See, the white areas becomes green here in this candle. And in this candle, we got a buy. And here we will enter. We can enter at 86.45, and the stop loss is somewhere around 72. But this is a trending candle, correct? It has closed over more than five candles. So it is a trending candle. So what we have to do is we can wait for the retracement over here, the immediately preceding red candle. Normally, trending candle will leave a gap always. That is what trending candle. We cannot expect retracement up to this top because it is a trending candle. So we will buy this option around 81, 82, 83 level. See whether it comes or not. Yes. Exactly, it comes in this candle, and this candle have good volume source. So immediately we will enter at a 85.65, and our stop loss is very low, 78. So 70 is 86, 85, 85 entering, and we got a 104, a decent return. Then see, after that, it has gone up to, see, here, 170. That means exactly doubled. That is our buying strategy. And these areas, no, we will never enter. That is dangerous. These are green areas, no, very dangerous. So we will exit somewhere around 131, 131, 132. We cannot expect this rally. Anyway, if we wait, we will get a huge return. See, after that, this volume has been doubled in this candle. And this candle, any candle like this comes, all the preceding candles high has been broken in this candle. So we have to draw a rectangle. Okay. And in this rectangle area, you can buy and sell like a robot. Two, three trades you will get. The only condition is that buy near the open price. And this type of candle comes buy near the open price, and your stop loss will be low of the candle. Remember, these buys should be applied in respect of only those options trading above the open price, and it is a trending option. Nothing to worry. You draw the high and low, and near the open price only you buy. So here we got a by chance at 154, and after that it has gone up to 169, and 15 points you will get. Okay, so this is called our magical trade. No, we don't need any indicators. We need only the numbers and a trade setup. You never be a loser. See, after this buy, two buy we got today. One is here, and at the retracement we bought near the low. No, correct. 82 we bought, and 102. If you want, you can book the profit because it is an exit point. Okay, then after that you can enter in this candle also. It's a trending candle, no? Don't expect a retracement. It is there is a gap here, no? Huge gap. 1052.95. And this trending candle, whenever a trending candle comes, don't expect it will come for retracement and I will buy at this top. You will never get. That is depending upon the volume. It is two, three times more than the previous candle volume. So don't expect it will come down for retracement. So if you do with our setup, no strategy, you have already got two, three buy and around 100, points from this put option. So if anybody having any doubt, no, contact us. Okay. Thank you very much.